Hey folks, this is Sanjay Singh speaking to you from Guruji Online. You must have seen me solving the problems on paper as well as on whiteboard, and you must be wondering who I am and why I also have joined this rat race of YouTube channels, mushrooming YouTube channels in this field. It is true, the YouTube is crowded with what to speak of crowded, it is basically saturated with such type of channels in this field. Even big houses, they have also joined the race, but we should not be critical to this because in one way it is helping to the needy students who cannot afford to pay the fees of established coaching centers. But the problem is when you have so many channels, so many options, you get confused and you have very less time for your preparation. So, what to do? In fact, for the past few months, I was trying to figure out how I can contribute to you people, those who are preparing for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, Olympiads, in your preparation. Basically, I am a civil engineer and I am an alumni of NIT Calicut. Also, I am a full-time employed person in a construction agency, and to that extent, I am a very busy man. But physics has been my passion, and because of this passion, I also decided that I should do something in this field. And why not? I devote my some time and bring you the questions which are very useful and very relevant to your exams without wasting your time, without killing your time. So, this is how I started this channel and this platform. Most of the YouTube channels, they are teaching you the chapters, the concepts of physics, but in my opinion, who can be your best teacher? In my opinion, basically, your textbooks are your best teachers. They have everything in between the lines. You have to read line by line. Everything you will find there. So, you don't have to go anywhere else. But yes, of course, what you have to develop? You have to develop your applicative instinct. By applicative instinct, I mean applying your conceptual knowledge in applications, in solving the problems, in cracking the problems, in cracking the exams. And this applicative instinct is basically tested in practical field and also in these exams. So this is what you need to develop. And this is how I found that by exposing the good questions to you, you can be benefited a lot. And if you develop this instinct, naturally success is not far away. You can achieve your desired goals. Well, this was the introductory talk. I wanted to introduce myself and I wanted to tell you what is my purpose. And on my channel, you will find such kind of video lectures having the problems only. So you have to come prepared with the necessary knowledge which is needed to solve the problems. So please keep coming back to this channel. This will be very useful for you. And try to make most of this channel and my efforts also. And rather, I would like you to give me the feedback through emails or through your comments so that I can improvise this platform and make this platform more and more useful for you. Thank you very much.